form. Consent agenda, approve the minutes, payment of the bills.
Make a motion.
I'll second it. All in favor?
Aye.
All right, now we're good to go. Now, the first thing on here is road and bridge truck purchase. Charlie has turned in, a couple of truck quotes and a one bed quote. The one bed quote is off of state bid, so it's good. But the problem I have is I got two quotes from the same company, I believe, yes. No, two different companies. One from Don Vance, one from Graven. I still need a third to be able to approve it. I can't approve it, and so I'm gonna table it till Monday.
Okay.
Because I have to have 3 bids. And he bid it out. These are.
It's the only place they're available.
I still need 3 bids.
Okay.
Or something from
Or
another
something
company
from
that
another
says
company
they
that says they can't have them here till next year or whatever, but this is, we can give you a price, but we can't have them till next year, that's fine.
Okay.
Remember, I thought I explained that to him Monday or something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
But his bids are on 550s, not 350s.
Yeah.
I mean, when we originally did this for 300,000, up to 500,000, his is gonna close to 300,000 time he's done.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I have to make you guys aware that, what he's gonna be doing and doing all this, but finance and everything, when it comes next year's budget, it's gonna affect what you can do. It's gonna actually, it's gonna tighten you so tight that, are you gonna be able to take care of roads?
Yeah, and my plan was, Gene, to buy, we're gonna fill out the Volkswagen grant and see if we can get one on that. But if I could get 2 this year and then see where we're at next year and maybe try to get 1 or 2 next year, then just kind of fill in,
Right.
But we need to replace the fleet, yes, but I understand it can't all be done at one time.
Right. I just have to make him aware and you aware that where you're going with this. I have to remind you. Since I have to sign all the contracts, and then the person's name comes up as me.
Right.
But on that, then we got a bunker road. You got bunker road?
Yeah, but we gotta wait a little bit. I'm waiting on clarification for something on that.
We're gonna wait on clarification for bunker road.
Okay.
Surveying a roadway, is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But other than that, that's what we got.
Yeah.
Anything
Yeah,
new?
there's so many people here. I guess the internet's so jammed up that my circle of death on my computer just finished.
Oh.
But I don't have we got another payment from MoDOT on Bunker Road, Dave?
I didn't have anything yesterday. I'll check on it again today.
Shouldn't be until the 31st is what the letter said.
And the letter said the 31st.
Oh, okay.
Deadline for a lot of things. Biden's.
It'll all start coming in real quick once they get it figured out.
Yeah.
Stuff happening on the 31st.
Yeah.
I think Daniel's got something. I'm gonna call him up.
Daniel, good.
Good morning.
Morning.
I've got my leases up on my copy machine in my office, and so I have got a new lease here for actually a newer, faster, and cheaper operating machine for duration of a 5-year, 60-month lease. And so it's through Sumner One, which is what Corporate Business Systems used to be. They've moved over to Sumner One, so I'm just asking for the commission to sign lease documentation so I can get that. He told me it's about a 6 to 8 week wait on those machines right now, like everything else. So new machine that I'm getting is actually a color photocopier that does print in color. It's just a few dollars more than, it's actually, I think it's a total of $6 more per month for the lease. It's just slightly bigger than the one I've got, actually.
That's what prints the big stuff.
No, this would be my typical office printer. But the lease on these new ones, he said that this new brand that they have here is very competitive in the market with the state. What's that state? That I've never dealt with. Buy things through the state
bid list.
State bid, there you go. State bid list is what it's basically off of.
Okay.
So it's discounted at a pretty good rate.
You wanna make a motion?
I'll make the motion.
I'll second it. Favor?
Aye. Cheaper and getting the job done still is always a good thing, right?
That's right. But I had to either sign a lease or purchase the one I've got outright, or
Right.
do something, because my lease is up at the end of October. So
Dan, what is this machine called? You called it a talking machine?
no, it's a copier machine.
Copier machine.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah,
thank Okay,
yeah. It's a photocopier.
okay.
It's kinda like Alexa, you just talk to it.
Thank you, sir. I'll copy of that. Yep.
I know you're trying
Yes,
to
sir.
get hold of Jeff.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Commissioners are waiting, so I don't know. Or otherwise, I'm gonna
You got anything? Was there a fire at the Fort Wood Inn last night?
Well, then somebody put on there that there's just
he was trying to get
smoke,
hold
but
of
it wasn't
Jeff.
really coming from there. I thought maybe somebody might have started a small fire in the microwave or something.
It sounds like it was a small.
Barry, you got any clarification on that?
Chief Eureka hasn't gotten back to me. The sheriff may know more than I do. Okay.
What was it?
Sounded like a small kitchen fire.
Yeah, like a small kitchen fire.
All I know
Yeah.
is the Fort Wood Inn didn't burn down.
I'm not going there. You're not gonna drag me in on that one.
If it would have burned down, I would have known about it.
Yeah.
Last time the truck drove into the building, they were trying to get people,
Out of it.
Ryan, it was you, wasn't it? It was trying to get people put up in like the St. Robert, but
Yeah.
they all fled like flies out there and never, couldn't find it. I think we had one or two people that stayed up at St. Robert Community Center.
Yeah.
For a couple of days, but that was it.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay, thank you.
Well, nobody was hurt, that was good. I'm assuming
Yeah.
nobody was hurt.
I didn't see any reported injuries.
I didn't either.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Guys, have a good one.
I didn't see.
I know, he said.
That was a Wednesday, it wasn't even cut till Thursday. No,
I
the
think
check
that
comes
was
tomorrow.
Tuesday, you mailed it off.
Tuesday. They should have it by Friday. No, they're searching.
Never.
See the one sheriff on TV this
Pastor Jeff.
Which one?
Arizona.
Somebody that, I told her, I said I gotta
Joe?
put on till Monday.
No. The other one. What's his name? He's always on TV.
I know. I know who you talking about. His name.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah.
I heard.
Told her that she didn't say bad words and think that what
Yep.
doesn't matter to say bad words. I said, I haven't figured that out yet. That always makes us giggle. I'm still waiting for Great Rivers, but I don't know what you guys wanna do. So it's a word authorization to do the surveying of the roadway. It says it costs $1,800, but I have not got clarification whether that is already included in the budget or if that's additional, so I'm not sure yet if it will be reimbursed.
So for this one
They
here,
were, I mean, that should be in their original deal, because how else are we gonna, I mean, they had to give us a plan to take the roadway, because
So,
they just a drawing of it, I mean.
you know, you gotta line the bridge to the roadway, so why was this not in the original part?
and it may,
We're not paying extra for something that should have been right there at the, I mean, that should all be part of it.
so this Brian guy that emailed me it, he doesn't know what was in the contract originally, but he says that it's not in their design contract. It was supposed to be done by another company, and so that's why they're finishing the staking work.
But what do we pay Great Rivers for then? Because everything is all extra.
I don't know. I'm just asking for clarification, but I've not got an answer back yet. So do you guys want to give me a little more time during this
Yeah,
meeting?
you tell them
or-
they're paying for it.
Yeah, take as much time as you need to, and if you, do me a favor, email me
Something to give away on prizes, right? Some kind of like a.
James's number and, what's the other guy, the big guy that we used to have?
One of the male models.
Spencer?
Yeah, email me his number too.
Okay, I can do that. I'll be back just once I
That
get
should be a
my
part of their contract.
Yeah,
I'll be back.
But I know there was two of them involved in it at one time, but still.
they told us the other day that Mayhew wasn't sharing the information, so they didn't know for sure where the road was supposed to be staked. Well, that shouldn't be up to Mayhew anymore. When you took over the contract, that becomes your responsibility.
Correct. That's my feeling. If you took over the contract, it's your baby now. You know,
Yeah,
I feel the same way.
whatever Mayhew did give you is great, and I understand it helps, but it's not his responsibility anymore.
No.
Besides that, his dad just died, so he's got a lot of.
Gene, these are surveying charges submitted by Great River.
Yep.
What's the cost on them?
$1,800.
Okay.
Did she ask if it was included in bid? Was it?
Well, that's what we're trying to get clarification. We contend that it should have been included.
How do you set a bridge if you don't know the road around it?
Right. Yes.
You know what I'm saying? That's my question. Am I right in saying that, Clint?
Yes. If it is part of the drawing, it
Right.
should be part of them, their responsibility to stake it as well.
I mean, I seen it in the plans. You could see where the road
Yeah.
was, so how would you not know?
Yeah.
According to the fire department, there was no fire at Fort Lee.
No fire.
Interesting. No fire. So it'll turn out to be alarm set off.
I cannot speculate on that.
Understand.
Yep, talk to Doug.
Yep. Already tried to contact. He'll probably get back to me later today. Considering what the Fort Wood Inn is, if I were Doug, I'd want to be careful to make sure everything is accurate before what he says to the media. So that's no criticism of Doug.
It's not available yet, but it is. I think it would take more to actually control it if it were heater or closer to that. You would have to stand. Yeah. Well, even that right there was close. Because you'd have to stand like this and park it.
In case you haven't heard, there's been a third death out at Fort Leonard Wood of a soldier.
From?
Robert Early from Gilwalk, the NCIC, the emergency
I
room.
mean, I'm up and down a lot, but if I'm sitting there.
3 deaths in 8 days.
Every instructions and stuff.
COVID?
Something like that would be.
They're not gonna tell you.
There's nothing that I'm getting indicating it's COVID, but I can't deny it. I can't rule it out.
Pretty tight-lipped.
Yeah. And this one is legitimately HIPAA issues, unlike some of the other things that happen. There's absolutely no reason to believe that it's anything other than medical.
Trying that. Let me see, this one looks bigger.
Staff Sergeant, 34 years old, married, 3 kids.
34 years.
This one's 16.
I couldn't hear Darrell, did they give a cause of death? No.
No.
Yeah.
But I've been thinking about it. I have to have an excellent. My balance is good on this. Nowadays, so I yeah.
Oh, weird. No.
So are you buying lots of good stuff out there, Clinton?
I'm just walking around carrying the bag, being a trophy husband.
Oh, been there, done that. I remember Christmas shopping at the mall in Springfield. I parked at one end and let them out, and I walked with them halfway and then took all the bags to the car, pulled the car down further, did some shop. Well, I just kept moving the car because I wasn't about to carry it all the way back.
Yeah, yeah. No, the lucky part is most of this stuff ships, and it's just some immediately, and some of it, you know, just down the road
Yeah.
through November basically. So we don't have to pack a lot of the stuff home, but there's plenty of papers and catalogs, and they got good snacks over there, so that's a plus.
That would keep me there then.
Darryl, did you see the indictment on the restaurant owner?
Gerald, did you see the indictment of a Mexican restaurant?
Now, that's not local, is it?
Yes.
One of them is.
One of them's over by Paul's
Cantina
Furniture.
Bravo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If you read the press release, it lists all the people involved.
Thank you.
It come all the way from the Joplin, something foods out of Joplin or distributing was the main. He was bringing them up, sending them over.
So there's like 19.
19
Did you
different.
notice, did you read that article though?
Yeah.
It said they were part of an organized crime organization, but it didn't ever say what the name of the organized crime organization was. If it was a cartel.
It was run out of the owners of the food distribution out of Joplin. That's who the main cartel was.
Yeah.
But they didn't say who they were working with other than that.
Yeah, no, they didn't say any of that part. I kind of thought maybe they put that out there too, because they got them on a RICO case.
Let me send it to you.
How they got all of them.
Yeah.
You
Clinton,
just type it in on your computer, it'll pop right up.
Clinton, they're dealing with the racketeering law. Those laws are not used only for what we think of as traditional organized crime. It can be used for many types of what we would consider normal businesses that get involved in organized criminal activity.
There's a lot of
Yesterday they didn't read it.
immigration,
Oh, was it yesterday?
fraud. And
Yeah, but it said in the article, Darrell, it was organized crime.
They were putting them-
No, I understand what you're saying. I'm saying the statute involved.
Paying them by cash or check.
The racketeering statute was originally designed to deal with the mafia, but it can be used for broader purposes than that. What I'd want to do is I'd want to see if that's a reporter's understanding of the racketeering statute or if a prosecutor said that. And until I know that, I'd be careful.
Okay. I get you.
Yeah. Read that article.
It cut off.
Oh, did
It
it?
didn't start telling me out of the.
Oh, I just Googled it. If you Google, I Googled federal indictment of Mexican Joplin, Missouri, and it pulls up the whole indictment.
Oh, well, I just got a little paragraph of it.
It's right here. I got the whole indictment right here. You wanna know which one led me?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find the one they listed. They were
It was in Tennessee too.
Long as it's not the El Ranchero.
North Carolina, they went all the way across the United States, I guess.
Yeah. Darrell, I sent it to your messenger, Wayne.
West Plain, St. Robert. Oh, here it is. So they running 11. Okay, that one just says Lebanon.
It doesn't say which one.
Oh, it'll tell you.
Immigration stuff.
It'll tell you which restaurant. It tells you it's further down. This thing's real long.
I hope it's not the El Ranchero. I like eating there.
Well,
They had good service. I mean, it is right
They're
there.
like Cantina Bravo off a little bit.
El Charlie, El Charlie,
That's what kicked all this off.
Are they El? All of them El Charlie?
El Cantina Bravo, El
Oh,
Charlie.
there's El Toro, El Cerrito, Playa Azula, Pizza, Cantina Bravo, and El Chango.
But not El Ranchero.
Hang on.
Oh,
Good.
Well, you want to read it for everything. Oh my God.
mm-hmm.
Pretty big indictment. It covered, I think it covers more states than I thought. I only thought it covered 3 states, but it covers like 6 or 8 states.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah.
It was all based out of Joplin. I can't read this over. Just gotta. I